when you're working on a vehicle for a long period of time, running tests, opening up the doors, you get your interior lights on, you're turning the ignition on and off, running tests on the radio. If you don't pay attention to the state of charge of your battery, it will run down rather quickly, and next thing you know, you'll have a no-start situation with a drained battery. So I picked up one of these battery tenders on Amazon a long time ago for about $35. It's not enough to quickly charge the battery, but it does, in between your testing and stuff, help prevent the battery from becoming completely discharged, and then it'll continue to charge it when you're done, in between breaks and things like that. So for what it costs, it's well worth it. So there you go. And then here I have also a new battery. The battery that I had there was, according to the data in the battery, was 5 years old. It was still working, but I decided to change it because I didn't want to end up in, a situation where I had a no start and I wasn't close to home. And when a battery's 5 years old, you're definitely on borrowed time. So I took out the stock Panasonic Mazda battery that came with the car, and I purchased an AGM all glass mat technology yellow top from Optima. I wanted to get an AGM battery that was not made by Optima, but because the price was a little less. But this is all they had. I'm kind of glad actually I purchased it, because I've noticed that everything in the car just works that much better, a little bit better. Even while the vehicle's running, the windows go up and down better, the engine seems to run a little bit better. I don't have a powerful enough system to have dimming lights or anything like that, but just everything works really well. The car starts phenomenally well. I definitely noticed a difference with this battery. I also have an all-glass matte battery in my other vehicle, which is not made by Optima. I pretty much can say the same thing. Just works. Everything works a lot, or a little bit better, I should say. Car starts great every time, no matter what. The other aspect with these all-glass matte technology batteries is that they charge up faster than your old-school lead-acid batteries. So, if you're in a discharged state but you have enough to charge the vehicle, or if you put a charger on it and you need to run the car to charge it up or use the charger, it just takes a charge faster and charges up better, almost like a deep cycle battery. They can also take discharges a little better than your traditional lead-acid battery and recover and not have shortened life like you would with a traditional lead-acid battery. So that's it. I'll let this thing charge up a little bit and take it for a ride maybe.